Sales is a demanding profession and under constant change due to rapid market developments. That's why we constantly need to update ourselves and refresh our sales skills. And sometimes it's just a matter of going back to the basics, training, practicing. Together we will explore 2 questions for your company. What are your needs, perceived or real, and how to adapt any education to your company needs and your way of working. We educate and train all parts of the sales process, from social selling, to prospecting, to customer qualification, to meeting objections, price negotiations, and closing the deal. Key to sustained learning is learning by doing. That's why at SalesType, all education sessions include involvement of participants. This means breakouts, exercises, and feeding back to each other. I will do that in a psychologically safe environment. Feel free to check in with me to see if and how I could be of value for your teams as well. Thank you.